Hello guys, welcome back to another episode. I'm back out on Perch Rock, targeting rays tonight into the morning. Got here all set up, all rigged up and baited up. Fishing 2 rods. We have about 3.5 hours to low tide, and the low tide is 4:30 in the morning. Yeah, I'll show you the setup and the bait I'm using for this session. On the SKS Black, I've got open over ledger rig, roughly about 4.5, 5 foot long trace on that. Ideal rig for rays. And hook wise, I've got 4.0 Koike wide mouth and 3.0 circle hook. On this one, just got a mackerel on there for now. 4.0 Koike and a 4.0 bait holder as a panel hook. This is a pulley panel rig, about 3 foot long. Yeah, first cast going in now. Hopefully get that ray I'm after. Not fished Perch Rock for a while now, but there are still rays about. Best time to fish here really, 3 hours to low tide and 1 hour after. After that it gets really very ripping here. Tide rip through after 1 hour, so you can give it a maximum an hour fishing here after low. But see how I get on. I might even pack up at a low tide and get going. Stay tuned guys, hopefully get back to you with a nice thorny. There you go guys, first cast didn't take long, literally 5 minutes if that. Nice little male Thornback ray, as you can see from the claspers there. It's a nice little male, lovely, about 3-4 pounds, maybe 4.5. I'm not going to bother measuring it, literally in a few minutes. Very lightly hook on the full squid bait. Brilliant, fantastic start. Well, let's get a quick picture of it and get it released quickly. Right, let's get it gone. Brilliant start. There it is. Lovely fish. Off he goes. The other rod going, literally released that ray. Another rod is just going mantle. There we go. Wow! What a bite. Fish on. On the mackerel. Wow, another ray guys. I'm not sure if you can see it. Wow. What they do, they just literally suck onto seabed. Got it up. nothing monster, I don't think. It's not a monster, but a nice fish. There we go. First cast on the other rod. I was literally releasing the first ray, and this male turned up. Fantastic marking on it. I'm not sure if the GoPro's picked it up properly. I didn't even get a chance to put the GoPro on my chest. So hopefully the footage turned out alright, guys. Yeah, nice. Another nice little male Thornback ray. Fantastic marking on it. Lovely. Brilliant fish. Right, let's get it on hook. This was on a pulley panel. Just a bit of a small mackerel stripped. Right, just need pliers. Let's get the pliers and get it on hook and get it released, guys. There we go, second ray going out. Took the hook really deep, but managed to get out somehow. Yeah, beautiful. Only been here 10 minutes. But hopefully soon that's alright. Yeah, straight down to the depth. What a start, guys. Crazy. I'm literally sweating one after another. And I just lost the fish as well. I was head shaking and everything. Could have been a puss maybe on the mackerel. Yeah, first cast on the both rod. I literally been 5 minutes. And as I was releasing the first one, the rod was just going mental. And gave me a cracking fight as well. Yeah, both of them male Thornback rays. One of them had that second one had a lovely marking on them. Yeah, brilliant start. I wasn't expecting any fish, to be honest, that early in the tide, but yeah, hopefully GoPro footage turned out alright. Usually they're pretty dark on a low light, but yeah, hopefully that turned out good for you guys. But brilliant start. Couldn't ask for a better start, really. Yeah, I think we got about 3 hours to load now. Usually fish is better from now on, but you never know. Yeah, I'm happy with 2 rays so far. Just got a fresh bait out again. Mackerel and mackerel on one, same again, and a squid on the other. The first fish was really close in actually. I failed to cast out far enough, but I wasn't open to getting a fish on that, but well, it worked. They definitely are out on the feed tonight, so hopefully carries on that way. Lovely evening, no wind at all. I'm literally sweating in these waders. Yeah, black calm, very nice. A few more anglers to my right now. They turned up. Hopefully get back to you with some more nice rays, guys. So stay tuned. See you shortly. Let's see what this mackerel head will produce. All the guts is still there. Small job of mackerel head. Come on. Well, something had a go on that, on the mackerel head. Oh no, it felt really heavy, whatever it was. There's another bite, guys, going mental. Right, best get that up. Fish on again, fish on. Could be a dogfish this. Coming in heavy. On the mackerel again. It's a woof woof. Third fish, guys, on the mackerel strip, and it's a dogfish. Right, let's get it on up. Oh, it's a dogfish. There you go, guys. Third fish off tonight. Nice little doggy. Right, let's get it gone. Straight off. There we go, guys. Another woof woof. Second woof woof and a fourth fish of the evening. He didn't realise it released. No, he has. Come on then. Right then, quick update, guys. Things are steady. I just picked up another dogfish. As you've seen before. Dropped a couple of fish as well, and dropped a really big fish early on a mackerel head. He took the panel hook by the looks of things, and he didn't really set the hook properly, so he come off. It felt really heavy. That Shakespeare rod was bent double, so about an hour and a half to low tide now. Still time for another ray or two. Just can't get through the dogfish at the moment. They're getting dogfish bite every cast. Yeah, 2 rays and a dogfish so far. Nothing else to report. Still flat calm. Nice morning. Probably fish till 4:30, low tide. and slowly get packing and get going. We've still got a good few squid bait left, so might as well use them and get going. Right, stay tuned guys, hopefully get back to you with another bait. Well, last cast in now guys, just got squid and mackerel wrap on both of the rods. Let's see if we can get a last cast raise. It's been pretty quiet last an hour or so, and it's getting quite late now, 4 o'clock in the morning, so I'm getting tired. So just doing a wrap, squid and mackerel wrap, and send them out. And that's I'm not sure if you picked that up, and that was a dogfish bite there. That's still time for fish, but I'm getting tired now, so let's see if that's coming to anything. It's still I think that looks like a dogfish bite. Yeah. Don't think I'm gonna I'll leave that for a minute. Yeah, not a bad session. At least we hit the target. We had 2 rays out and then 2 dogfish out. Not a bad oh, slack liner. That's definitely a slack liner now. Let's have a look what we got. Yeah, fish shot. Wow. Staying down. Don't want to come up. I wonder if this is Ray. They give me a good slack liner. Wow. Don't want to come up. could be a ray, or I'm on or I could be on the other line, could I? Yeah, I might have crossed my other line maybe. That's by coming in heavy. Yeah. Yeah, bringing the other line in. Where are they? What we got? We got a ray. We might have a ray on the list. Looks like we got a nice little ray out. T-back. There we go, nice little female Thornback ray there. Last cast. There we go. Crossed onto my other line. That's the hook out. Nice little ray, guys. Last cast. I'll probably call it a night now. I was just doing the outro for the video here, and this little female Thornback ray turned up. Right, let's get it released. And I bought my other line in as well while I'm bringing this in. so don't think I'm gonna bother chucking any of the bait out. Oh, not a bad night fishing, guys. 3 ray and 2 doggies. Right. Come on. There it is. Just having a little rest. It should go no problem. It was lightly hooked anyway. Right guys, that will be the end of the session. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button for me. It really helps the channel. And if you're new to the channel, please subscribe, obviously, if you enjoy this content. And see you on the next episode, guys. Thanks for watching.